The electric clothes dryer was invented by J. Ross Moore in the early 20th century. Moore, a North Dakota farmer, began working on designs for an automatic clothes dryer in the 1920s because of the harsh winters that made it difficult to dry clothes outside. After years of experimentation, he finally developed a working electric dryer in 1938. Moore's invention was later manufactured and brought to market by the Hamilton Manufacturing Company, making the electric clothes dryer a household convenience that saved people time and effort compared to traditional line drying. This invention revolutionized laundry, making it easier and faster to dry clothes, especially in regions with cold or wet climates. Subscribe for more interesting facts.